अंदर से किसी ने पुलिस को फोन किया होगा। तो पुलिस जब यहाँ पर आई तब पता चला कि बच्चे किडनैप हो गए।
A chilling hostage scare from Mumbai's Powai area has sent shockwaves across the city on Thursday. What started as a normal day turned into a tense standoff when a man allegedly held 17 children hostage inside a residential studio flat.
मैं रोहित आर्या। सुसाइड करने की जगह मैंने एक प्लान बनाया और कुछ बच्चों को इधर हॉस्टेज रखा है। मेरे को ज़्यादा डिमांड्स नहीं है, बहुत सिंपल डिमांड्स है, बहुत मॉरल डिमांड्स है, बहुत एथिकल डिमांड्स है। मुझे कुछ लोगों से बात करनी है, उनको सवाल पूछने हैं, उनके जवाब पर अगर मुझे काउंटर क्वेश्चन है तो मुझे काउंटर क्वेश्चन पूछना है। ना मैं टेररिस्ट हूँ, ना मेरी बहुत बड़ी पैसों की डिमांड है, कुछ भी पैसों की डिमांड तो है ही नहीं, इमोरल तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। सिंपल कॉन्वर्सेशंस करने हैं और जिसके लिए मैं इन बच्चों को हॉस्टेज लिया है। ये मैंने एक प्लान के तहत ही हॉस्टेज लिया है। लेट्स चेंज 4 मैं सच में करने वाला हूँ। अगर ज़िंदा रहा तो मैं करूँगा, अगर मैं मर गया तो कोई और करेगा, लेकिन होगा ज़रूर। इन्हीं बच्चों के साथ होगा अगर इनको हार्म नहीं होता है तो, बिकॉज द स्लाइटेस्ट रॉन्ग मूव फ्रॉम योर एंड विल ट्रिगर मी.
The man has been identified as Rohit Arya. According to police, he locked up 19 people, 17 children, a senior citizen and another man inside the Powai flat. Arya even released a disturbing video online demanding to speak to certain individuals. In that video, he warned that he would harm himself and the children and set everything on fire if anyone tried to stop him. Police say the incident began around 1:45 in the afternoon. A distress call from the studio brought multiple police teams rushing to the spot from Powai and Sakinaka police stations. Senior officers and a quick response unit immediately set up a rescue operation. After tense moments of negotiation and planning, a police inspector broke into the flat. Inside, he seized an air gun and some chemical substances from Arya's possession. All 17 children were rescued safely. None of them were hurt. The man was taken into custody on the spot. Joint Commissioner of Police Satyanarayan Chaudhary said the initial probe suggests that the motive behind Arya's act was linked to pending work-related payments. Investigators say Arya may have been mentally unstable. He has now been taken to a hospital for a medical checkup. The rescued children aged between 13 and 17 were handed over to their parents soon after. Police later confirmed that the kids had travelled from the different parts of Maharashtra to attend an ad shoot audition at the studio. What makes this case so disturbing is how suddenly an ordinary audition turned into a nightmare. The police say they acted swiftly to defuse a situation that could have turned tragic in minutes. This entire episode caught partly on local surveillance and witness accounts has once again raised serious questions about safety and mental health in the workplace. It also highlights how fragile public safety can be even in the heart of India's big city. For now, Rohit Arya remains under arrest. Mumbai police say they are investigating the case thoroughly and will ensure the justice is served. 17 children are back home safe, but the memory of that tense afternoon in Mumbai will likely stay with them for a longer time.